Toyota CEO drops Bombshell. This engine's set to transform the EV industry. Forget everything you think you know about electric cars. Remember that feeling of range anxiety, that sweaty palm panic when you see your battery bar dipping lower than your confidence on a first date? Well, buckle up, gearheads, because buckle up, we'll get to that in a sec. Toyota just dropped a bombshell that might have Elon Musk hitting the Tesla design table in confusion. What is up, Car Computer Exchange fam? Today we're ditching the oil changes and revving our excitement for the future of electric vehicles. We all know Toyota's been a bit like your grandpa with a flip phone when it comes to EVs. But hold on to your catalytic converters, because it seems like they've finally downloaded the latest software update. Akio Toyoda, the big cheese himself, just made an announcement that could be a game changer for the entire EV industry. Let's dive in and see what electrifying news Toyota has been keeping under the hood. Let's face it, when you think electric vehicles, EVs, Toyota doesn't exactly scream cutting edge like a certain electric car company run by a billionaire with a penchant for rockets. Toyota's been the undisputed king of the hybrid electric vehicle, HEV world, with the Prius practically becoming synonymous with fuel efficiency. But when it comes to fully electric battery electric vehicles, BEVs, Toyota's been more like your grandpa trying to figure out his new smartphone. A little hesitant, maybe a tad confused. Their concerns are valid. Early BEVs faced limitations in range, meaning you couldn't exactly take a road trip to grandma's without strategically plotting out charging stations along the way. Not exactly ideal for that spontaneous weekend getaway vibe. Then there's the cost. Those lithium-ion batteries ain't cheap, which can put a serious dent in your wallet compared to a gas-powered car. Plus, the charging infrastructure just hasn't quite caught up yet. Imagine waiting in line for an hour just to top up your battery. Not exactly a recipe for a fun time. This hesitancy hasn't gone unnoticed. Industry experts have been throwing shade Toyota's way with articles like, "Is Toyota falling behind in the electric vehicle race?" and analysts muttering about a lack of commitment to the future of mobility. The bombshell announcement. But hold on to your hubcaps, gearheads, because it seems like Toyota just downloaded the latest software update for their EV strategy. In a recent announcement, CEO Akio Toyoda himself unveiled a new technology that could be a real game changer for the EV industry. Now, the specifics are still a bit under wraps, but here's the exciting part. Toyota might be exploring the world of hydrogen combustion engines for EVs. Imagine this, an electric car powered by hydrogen, not batteries. That means potentially longer range, because refueling with hydrogen is much faster than charging a battery. It could also be more affordable, with simpler engine designs compared to traditional BEVs. Plus, hydrogen is a clean-burning fuel, emitting only water vapor, making it a win for the environment. This is all still in the early stages, but the potential is electrifying. Pun intended. If Toyota can pull this off, it could be a major leap forward for EVs, addressing those pesky concerns about range, cost, and charging infrastructure. All right, gearheads, halfway through this electric adventure, and I gotta ask, are you still stuck in the gas station line of denial about EVs, or are you as pumped as I am about Toyota's potential hydrogen bomb? Hit that like button and let me know in the comments below. This next part gets juicy, so buckle up, or should I say hydrogen up, because we're diving deeper into the world of hydrogen-powered electric vehicles. Bye-bye, range anxiety. Refueling with hydrogen is significantly faster than charging a battery, potentially addressing the dreaded range anxiety that plagues BEVs. Imagine a road trip without meticulously plotting out charging stations. Freedom at last. Affordability on the horizon. Hydrogen combustion engines could be simpler to manufacture compared to complex BEV drivetrains, potentially leading to a more cost-effective option for consumers. A green dream? Since hydrogen burns clean, it drastically reduces tailpipe emissions, making it a win for the environment. But is this hydrogen hype train all sunshine and rainbows? Let's delve deeper and explore some of the remaining challenges. Cost hurdles. developing and mass-producing hydrogen engines could be an expensive undertaking. Hydrogen highway. Hold up. The infrastructure for hydrogen refueling stations is currently sparse compared to the ubiquitous gas station network. Building a robust network will require significant investment. The green conundrum. While hydrogen itself burns clean, the process of producing it can be energy-intensive depending on the source. Renewable energy sources like solar or wind power are ideal for hydrogen production, but large-scale implementation is still evolving. The road ahead, unanswered questions, and expert insights. There are still plenty of questions surrounding this technology. Will hydrogen combustion engines be as efficient as BEVs in the long run? Can hydrogen production become truly sustainable? To get some expert insights, we wanted to hear from someone in the trenches. Dr. Emilia Takahashi, a leading researcher in alternative fuel technologies, shared her thoughts. Toyota's announcement is a positive step toward a diversified EV landscape. Hydrogen combustion engines have the potential to address some of the key concerns with BEVs. However, significant challenges remain. The cost of large-scale hydrogen production needs to decrease, and the refueling infrastructure requires substantial expansion. The bottom line, a spark in the EV conversation. While hydrogen combustion engines might not be the silver bullet for EVs just yet, Toyota's announcement has undeniably ignited a spark in the conversation. It's a reminder that innovation is happening, and the future of electric vehicles is far from set in stone, or should we say fueled by fossil fuels. This technology has the potential to be a major player, but only time will tell if it can overcome the hurdles and become a mainstream solution. One thing's for sure, the race for the future of EVs just got a whole lot more interesting, and Toyota with its hydrogen gamble is back in the driver's seat. So, is hydrogen the fuel cell of the future for EVs or just a pipe dream? The answer, my friends, is still under the hood. But one thing's for sure, the race for EV supremacy has gotten a whole lot more exciting, and Toyota's got its foot back on the gas. Well, maybe the hydrogen valve? If you're as pumped about the future of electric vehicles as we are, hit that subscribe button and join the Car Computer Exchange fam. We'll be diving deeper into all things automotive, from the latest EV tech to classic car restorations. So buckle up, gearheads, because this ride is just getting started.